Good morning. Domino is all packed up and I'm getting ready to like turn on my backup camera, remove some window covers, get some gas, and then hit the road. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm here getting gas and got me some coffee. But I didn't like their creamer selection and I wanted to be a little bougie, so I have my own coffee. And what they do, can you guys see it? No, you can't, because you have to do this first. Oh, now you guys can see it? Yes, so this is Starbucks creamer toffee nut latte. I prepaid like $60 on Domino, which I don't know if she'll need it because gas is like $2.60 here right now at the moment. So I don't know. And I like a lot of creamer because I don't put sugar in my coffee. So the creamer is everything. Ah, shoot, I think I put too much coffee in here. Oof, so good. This is my current situation. I literally just drove into California and now stand still.
Quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. Anything about me, let me get it. I'm an open book, and your man probably read it. Trending off a selfie, Chanel me, off the top shelf, please. Only fuck with niggas if they handsome and wealthy. Crab meat, got my ass looking healthy.
I feel like I'm looking a little Johnish with my locks all over the place right now. Yeah! Okay! What? Had to pull over at a rest stop because I needed to go to the restroom. And it was kind of getting a little hot. I couldn't bring Jaden with me this time because it's going to be so freaking hot in Sacramento, and I don't think I can take him with me inside of Ikea. So it's just me making my way to Domino. I'm walking fast, face is passing, I'm homebound. Let me lock my door. Ouch. Pause this. So one thing I always make sure I do when I get inside of Domino, like the first thing, I close my door and I lock it because anybody could be watching me and trying to come in after me. So just making sure that I'm safe, I lock myself inside right when I come in because I ain't trying to have to put the paws on nobody. Hey y'all, I made it. It's so freaking hot. Like, I'm in Sacramento and I plan on going to Ikea, and let's see, it's 11:30 and it's a line outside. Like, I'm about to put on my mask, get my water, and go to the line and see about how long it is. Hopefully it's shade because it's 95 plus degrees out here, so it's hot, y'all. You have a good one. Ooh, it's open. I got me some food. Supermarket sweep. I came in with the list. I think I got quite a bit, minus my silverware. But yeah, I did a supermarket sweep because I was like starving and didn't have a basket for like the first half. But I'm about to eat this like real fast. Such a mess, but just buying stuff. So I'm in the parking lot. Okay, thank you, wind. I appreciate all the wind that you can give me. I have the door open, most of the windows open. Where I'm parking up for tonight is only like an hour away. So I don't know when I'm gonna leave out, but it is kind of hot, so I don't want to get right back on the road and, you know, drive this hour through the heat. So I'm gonna chill here for a second. Alright, so instead of sticking around, I pulled up the map and I swore it was like an hour away, but it's like an hour and 45 minutes away, even longer. And I don't think I can just sit here. I need to just go ahead and I need gas anyway, so I'll go maybe 45 minutes out and then stop and get some gas, walk around a bit, and then go the rest of the way. But I gotta go. I can't sit here and wait. I'm getting hotter and I don't want to open like the back of Domino because people will really be able to see in. So I'm about to get on the road, make some moves.
These great girls, two at a time with no discretion. To me, it's so depressing. Acting like you don't know my profession. I look at them.
Oh, this is nice right here. Yeah, this is nice. I'm all for sharing and stuff, but seriously, they literally parked right in my view and didn't come over and say like, hey, do you mind if I park right in front of your freaking view? Like, so fucked up. Like, just so fucked up. And told me to just pack up and try and go back to the first spot, and it was open. And look at this freaking view, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot wait to have breakfast here. Look. I have my own pier, guys.